I'm Rachel Rose, welcome to my video. Today I'm opening the 4th of December's Advent calendars. So I'll start with the Hare's Emporium one today. Oh, I think a nice smell is coming from it. Ooh. Fireside. Top notes of bergamot, lemon leaf, and warming spices with eucalyptus, lavender, and geranium. The base of this fragrance is exotic and full of red cedar, masoa? I don't know what that word is. Masoa, wood, amber, frankincense, and musk. Ingredients: eco soy wax, fireside fragrance oil. Ooh, cool. Whew, it's a really strong smell. Ah, it's 2 candles. Awesome. Wow, lovely smell. Cool, that's nice and Christmassy. I love my candles. Beautiful. And let's do the crystal. Ah, here's number 4. It's a smaller one today. I wonder if it's another crystal I've never seen before. Ooh, I'm not quite sure. Got a real chocolatey line all the way around, and it's quite black. I don't know. Right, I have to have a look. Maybe it's something I do know, but it just looks different from what I'm used to. Okay. So, mahogany obsidian. Okay. Well, I haven't seen mahogany obsidian before actually, so yeah. So obsidian's a kind of glass, volcanic glass. It's usually black, but this has got that brown colour band through it. Beautiful. Oh, that's really cool. I love how I'm getting crystals that I don't have already. Yeah, fabulous. Right, oh, let's do the chocky. I don't really like this chocolate very much. But I do like how it's a different one every day. Here we are. It's a little house. Oh, lovely. So, yeah, that's day 4. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.